What's in there, Rudy? Oh my goodness. You gonna pick a number? Pick a number. You gotta pull one out. You gotta pull one out. You gotta pull one out. Get one. Get one. Get one. Oh, you know, you're not supposed to look at the numbers. Yeah. You're not supposed to look at the numbers. Oh, are you gonna do it? Are you gonna do it? Okay. Put it on the side. Which one? Get one. Get one. Aren't you going to pick? You're just going to rummage through them? You're just going to rummage through them? You get the privilege of picking the very first day's winner. Come on. It's never as easy as I think it's going to be. Never as easy. Oh. Did you get... Wait a minute. Did you knock one out? Did you knock one out? Wait, there's one. There's one. Which one is it? Okay, we're going with that. It's number 73. Rudy picked number 73 for the first day's winner. No, you can't pick anymore. We're done for today. We're done for today. I think she wants a mealworm. Yeah. Okay, so number 73. Good job. I'll get you some mealworms. Okay. For picking the number, you get to get some mealworms. Yeah. You get some mealworms, but you got to come back to your room. Come on, let's go back to your room. Rudy. Rudy. You got those all. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Come on, Rudy Roo. Gotta go back to your room. Come on. Rudy. Come on. Rudy Roo. Okay, good job picking. Now you gotta come back to your room. Get you some mealworms. Come on. Come on. Oh, you can run when you want to. Yeah. There you go. Get some mealworms. Good job picking.